Hello, friends. Very good morning. All of you are welcome in this online class series of ML Content Group of Schools. Friends, up to now, we have read all the chapters in our writing part, that is, story writing or article writing or letter writing. All those parts that were in our syllabus that has been completed. So from today onwards we are going to start our classes in grammar section, and at the very first place I am taking the chapter determiners. And the very first thing that we are required to talk is to define the determiners. Friends, determiners are the words that are used before nouns and they determine the meaning of the noun. I mean, they are used before a noun and determine the meaning of the nouns. So, for example, we can say there is a noun boy. Boy is a noun, but without a proper determiner, it cannot be used in a sentence, meant its meaning cannot be determined. So, if we are supposed to use it in a sentence form, we are supposed to use a boy or the boy or some boys, each boy, every boy. So these all are the each, every, some, the. What are these? These all the words are the determiners, and these words are used to determine the meaning of the noun boy. Okay, so guys, there are various types of determiners, or we can say that determiners can be categorized in various categories. The very first category of them is articles, then demonstratives, possessives, indefinite adjectives, and after that numbers, ordinals, are cardinals, and also there are some other that can be discussed over here, and we shall discuss about these all one by one. So we are going to take about the first topic in this series, that will be the articles. Articles in English, as we all know very well, that in each and every especially western languages, there are some articles, whether it is English or French or any other. So here we are going to discuss about the articles of English language. In English there are two types of articles. One is definite article and another is indefinite articles. So friends, definite article is the, and indefinite article is a or an. Let us first of all discuss about these two in very short. In definite articles, the very first point is that indefinite articles are used with singular countable nouns. Meant indefinite articles that are a or an, they are not used with plurals, and also they are not used with uncountables. Meant they are used only with the countables and singular number countables. If we talk about the use of a, so a is used before singular countable nouns beginning with consonant sound. Okay, beginning with consonant sound. Here we are required to pay attention that the sound should be consonant. There, it is not compulsory that the first letter of the noun is a consonant, because in some of the cases you will find out that when we write, uh, the first letter of the word is a vowel, but when we pronounce it, it is pronounced with a consonant sound. Just like if we talk about European or university, so European, when we write down, we start our spelling with E, European. This is the spelling of European. Okay, but when we pronounce it in that concern, it is European. I mean in English, Y, so the pronunciation is the uh, consonant. So European will take uh, a as the article. In the same way, an is used with singular countable nouns beginning with vowel sound. Here are some examples that you can see: a photo, a teacher, a chair, and after that an inkpot, an elephant, an ambiguous, an MLA, a 1 rupee note, a university, and R. So over here we can see that all these words are used as per the pronunciation of the nouns. Let us talk, and if we talk about definite articles, we will know it very well that definite articles are used with both. I mean singular nouns and plural nouns, and these articles are used to specify a person or a place or a thing. Meant if we are required to specify something, in that case we use definite articles. Now we are going to discuss about the uses of these two types of articles. I mean the definite article or the indefinite articles. So let us discuss about first of all indefinite articles. The very first rule about the use of indefinite article is as that I have already discussed in our just few minutes before, that a singular countable noun which is being mentioned for the first time. So this was told to you earlier that an indefinite article is used with singular countable noun, but there is one more condition, that singular countable noun should be used first time in the sentence. It's like I have never seen a gun. I have never seen a gun, or I saw a sports bike at the store today. So I saw a sports bike. A sports bike meant the sports bike is being mentioned over here first time. Okay, and in the same way, a gun. Second rule for the use of indefinite article is a singular countable noun or adjective beginning with a consonant sound. That is very simple. If that begins with a consonant sound, in that condition it takes a. Okay, so a singular countable noun or an adjective also, just like Raman ate a banana or Mohit saw a tall girl. Okay, Raman ate a banana, Mohit saw a tall girl. Here, tall is an adjective. Okay, and that is beginning with a consonant sound. So, a tall girl. In the same way, if a singular countable noun or an adjective begins with a vowel sound, in that condition it will take an. Okay, so adjective and noun both. Okay, a or an is used. The third rule regarding this is a singular countable noun which is an example of class of things. Yes, if that countable noun, that singular countable noun, even if that signifies the class, in that condition also uh, this indefinite article is used. Just like over here in the example, a pet needs love. Here, pet is a class of the pets. Okay, In the same way, there is one more example. A father deserves to be respected by his children. So here, father, our father shows the class, a class meant it talks about fathers in general. Okay, so our father deserves to be respected by his children. The fourth rule, according to this, is a noun to express a quantity. Yes, any noun that express a quantity that supports the that supports indefinite articles that are a or an. I need a dozen bananas. Dozen is a quantity, okay? A dozen. I need to buy a couple of books. So in this you can find out a or an is used over here. The units of price or speed, ratio, weight. When all the nouns that are units of price or speed or ratio or weight, they all supports indefinite articles that are a or an. For example, this bike gives 35 kilometers a liter. So liter is the measuring capacity measurement. So a liter. In the same way, you can run a mile in just 5 minutes. Minute is also a unit for the measurement. So in case of unit of the measurements, in the same way, price, speed or ratio. If we talk about in the case of price, you can give an example that the bananas are sold 35 rupees a dozen. Okay, so in this way, certain numbers are monetary units. Yes, certain numbers are monetary units also. Suppose a or n. I want to earn $1 billion by the age of 40. $1 billion. Can you lend me 100 rupee? 100 rupee. Okay, so these are the certain numbers are monetary units. Frequency is also expressed with the help of these, uh, indefinite articles are or an. That's like, for example, put these eardrops twice a day. Drops twice a day. So before day a has been used. Wash your face 3 times a day in the summer. Okay. Uh, Guys, one more example, one more use of this is in exclamatory expressions also. These indefinite articles are used. For example, what a beautiful morning. What a beautiful morning. Okay. What a cute dog. Okay. So, what a beautiful scene. In these all expressions are exclamatory expressions, and they are supporting this. Are indefinite articles. There are some points that are to be paid for attention. First of all, the spelling of the word that follows the determiner is not important, only the sound is important. Yes, it was told by me in very beginning regarding use of the indefinite articles that we are supposed to mind the consonant sound or vowel sound. We are not supposed to pay attention over the vowels or consonants, because here examples: union, 1 rupee note. Union also beginning with u, but it is read with the consonant sound. In the same way, 1 rupee note, one is written with o, but is read with the uh, vowel sound, consonant sound. In the same way, there are few words that start with consonant letters but have vowel sound. The same is the concern: an honest man or an honor. Okay, they are beginning with the consonant words, but they are supporting the vowel sound. Indefinite and determinants are mostly prefixed before noun that does not refer to any particular person. Yes, very simple. It is a common noun, countable nouns, and singulars. These three are the uh, uh, category of the nouns with which these indefinite articles are used. It's just like a cat, a boy, an hour. Indefinite determiners can be used before uncountable nouns if the noun is used in particular sense. I mean, if the noun is not used in particular sense, I always have tea after my lunch. She is a great pianist. So here you can find out these indefinite determiners are used before uncountable nouns, but here they are used in a particular sense only. One more thing that we have to pay attention is that indefinite determiners can be attached before the adjective if the adjective is followed by a countable noun. Yes, if any adjective is followed by a countable noun, so before that, for example, it is a red color t-shirt, a red color t-shirt. He is a hard working man. So these all are the various examples and rules of using indefinite articles. Now we are to start with our definite article, that is use of the. So friends, we are supposed to be very careful in the use of definite article the. The very first rule of this is, first of all, it is used with a singular noun when it refers to a particular class or a group. First life, for example, the luxury car is a rich man's vehicle. My brother has joined the NDA. So the luxury car is refers to a particular class, luxury. And in the same way, join the NDA. NDA is a particular class or a group. Second rules is we all know it very well that before names of rivers, ranges of mountains, names of girls, seas, oceans, groups of islands, ships, canals, rivers, deserts, ships, they all support, they all take article the. Some examples are given over here: the Jamuna River, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Titanic, the Sivalik range of mountains. Okay, and countries with plural names. Yes, generally it is not used with countries, but when the countries are given with the plural name, in that condition, I mean, the is used, just like the Philippines, the Maldives, the UK, the USA. Books of religion, be very careful. Books of religion, just like the Ramayana or the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the Holy Quran, but pay attention to it if the book is followed by the name of the writer, just like Balmiki's Ramayana or Vyas Mahabharata or Shakespeare's Caesar. In that condition, the is not used if the writer has been given over there. Names of hotels, museums, and buildings. The is used. We know it very well. The Oberoi group of hotels, the Burj Khalifa, the Allahabad Museum. The names of families in the plurals. Yes, especially surnames. Okay, just like the Madans, the Malhotras, the Sarmas. These all are the surnames and they all take the with them. Newspapers and magazines, they also take the. It's like the Top Gear, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India. Superlatives of adjectives, yes, all the superlative degrees take the, just like the best boy in the class, the tallest building in the world. Descriptive adjectives referring to a whole group or class, yes, if any adjective is using for whole class, just like the working class refers to the R hold the class. That in the same way, the middle class shows whole class. The rich should help the poor. Yes, the rich should help the poor. Here, rich is the rich shows whole class of the rich people. Yes, the names of races and communities also this I mean dies you. This is just like the Hindu, the Christians, the Muslims. One more, with all and both. Yes, all and both. These are the two words that take always the after them. Just like all the colleagues, all the teachers, all the students of this class in this way. And both also, both the sisters were invited in the party. Both the men came to meet me. All and both. Don't forget this point. Very important. After that, names of stars, planets, satellites, longitudes, and latitudes, they all take the with them. The sun, the moon, the equator, the Proxima Centauri, they are the stars or planets, and they all take uh, the with them. Sometimes the is used as adverb in comparative degree. Yes, it's very useful for you to understand the use of the sooner the better. The higher you go, the cooler you feel. Okay, in this way. One more very important use of this is proper nouns if they are used as common nouns. Yes, here Kaldas is the Shakespeare of India. Shakespeare is proper noun, but in this sentence Shakespeare has been used as common noun. Okay, Kaldas is the Shakespeare of India. Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Okay, so and the next rule of this is famous historical events. Yes, all the famous historical events, names of all the famous historical events, whether it is the French Revolution or the Second World War or the Independence Day or the First War of Independence, these all are the very some famous historical events, and they all supports the before them. Guys, one more. If the is used before the name of any language, very important, and at most of the time the students get confused with this use. If the is used before any name of any language, if the has been used before the language, in that condition, that word the plus language shows the people of the nation. But if the is not used, in that condition it is language. Suppose that, for example, I am talking about uh, French. French is a language, we know it very well. But if we are using the French, in that concern, the French will mean to the people of France. It will not, it will no more mean to the language now. Okay, so be very careful. Don't try to use the before any language if that is being used as language itself. If you want to use that language as the uh, nation's people are the people of the nation, in that question should use the. Here examples: the French mean the people of France, while French meant language. The English mean the people of England, while English is a language. A proper noun followed by an adjective. Yes, if any proper noun is followed by an adjective, then that adjective will take the as its uh, article, just like the great Shakespeare, the immortal Gandhi. Okay, and it's also a very important use like expressions like the Alexander the Great, Alexander the Great, Ashoka the Great. These are very important use. One more has been given over here. Preposition plus the plus direction. Yes, if preposition is used before the direction, then between the preposition and direction the must will be used. For example, from the east towards the west. Okay, in this way. But mind it, the will be used only if preposition has been used. If preposition has not been used, you are not supposed to use the. If you will use in that condition, it will give another meaning. The east will not show the direction. The east will show the eastern countries. The west the west will not is the west does not show the west direction, but it shows the western countries. Okay, so these were the few very important uses of articles. The, I mean definite article. Now, very important thing, some omissions of articles. Yes, we are supposed to know it very well, that when articles are not used, up to now we have seen when articles are used. Now, when articles are not used, so uh, that should not be used. Not only I'm not but here, first of all I'm talking about the. A and the are abstract nouns. Before the names of before abstract nouns, the is not used. Before plural nouns, it is not used. Before proper nouns, it is not used. Before names of regular meals, just like breakfast, lunch, dinner, articles are not used. Colors do not take any uh, article. Any material, whether it is gold or milk or water, they don't take uh, articles. Illness, whether it is fever or malaria or typhoid or any, they don't take any article. Yes, but there are two exceptions for this. What are those two exceptions? Measles and mumps. Students, be very careful. Measles and mumps are two illness that takes the before them. Hell, heaven, God, they don't take any article. But Pope and devil, they use it. In the same way, school, college, university, church, hospital, bed, prison, court, these all, they are don't take any article. But mind it, if only if they are used in general sense. If they are used in other senses, in that condition they may take article. Here example, he goes to school to study. Here school does not take the or a or anything. But if we are using it in this way, my father went to the school to meet the principal. My father went to the school, because his father is not going to school to study, but he is going to meet the principal, and that is not the general use. In the same way, kind of or sort of also don't take any article. Just like, what kind of man is he? I don't like this sort of talking. Names of games, or days, or month, or seasons, they also don't take any article. Expressions like all day, by road, by air, by train, on foot, by name, by mistake, by letter, or other expressions like on sale, on duty, on land, on demand, at sea, at home, at night, at noon, at sunrise, at ease, at hand, at arm's length, in trouble, in debt, or in debt, in question, in hand, in fact, in front of, in favor of, or to give ear, to turn toil, to send word, to lose heart, to follow suit, to take to task, to catch fire, or it is the use of last week, next month, last year, or next year. In these all conditions, articles are not used. So, we are supposed to be very uh, particular in the use of this. Now, friends, let us take an example, an exercise uh, to clear this. Don't make dash noise, please. Don't make a noise, please. Please mark it over here. There will be a noise. Dash virtue is its own reward. Friends, we know it very well that uh, abstract nouns don't take any article, so there will not be any article in this. Virtue is its own reward, so there is no need of any uh, article. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayas. Yes, Mount Everest is the highest. The why? Because highest is the superlative degrees. And Himalayas, before Himalayas, we are using the because Himalaya is the range of mountain. London stands on the Thames. Why? Because Thames is name of the river. I want a cup of coffee. So before cup we are using a, while before coffee we don't use any article. What kind of dress are you looking for? So what kind of, we know it, we have read right now, right before some time, that kind of or short of, these words don't support any article, either whether along with the kind of or short of. So no article with coffee, but yes, with cup we are supposed to use a. What kind of dress are you looking for? We have to take. He never tells, he will never tell a lie. Okay, he will never tell a lie. The same way, is he an MA or a BA? An MA or a BA. Next is the more they get, the more they want. And the last one for this in the size is Newton is a proper noun, so we are not supposed to use any adjective with Newton. Newton was a great scientist, so I will be used before Newton. So guys, this was about article, and we have tried to summarize all the important rules that control the use of uh, articles. Please go through them, and after completing the understanding